Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new person here, I say Akwaba to you. You are warmly welcome. If you're an old person, thank you very much for coming back. Today I'm going to share with you how I prepare or make this lovely and amazing jollof rice. Okay, vegetable jollof rice. It's very tasty and easy to prepare. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay, and also share the video. So with this recipe, we're going to use about 3 cups of rice. You can use any rice that you prefer, okay? And I'm going to use some salt here to taste. And I have some nutmeg here that's grated nicely. I have some garlic and spices. These are spices. You can use any spice that you prefer here. And I have some bay leaves, and also I have a lot of tomato puree here that I'm going to use for our stew. I have some vegetables here. I have carrots and also green pepper, some sliced onions, and also some green beans here. So let's get started. Okay, so my oil is already hot, and I've just added some crushed pepper here. I forgot to just add it to the ingredient, but this is the type of pepper that I decided to use. Some dry crushed pepper that I made it myself in the house. You can decide to use fresh pepper for this cooking, and it will be amazing. Okay, I prefer using this one for this one. So I'm just adding my tomatoes inside. My oil is already hot, so I've just added my tomatoes inside, and I'm just going to give it a very nice stir. You can see our stew is not going to take too much time because it just went straight to preparing the stew here. So warriors, how have it been? Okay, how is it as a warrior? Okay, whether you're a man or you are a woman, so far as you are on earth here, I know it's not easy. Okay, so hold on unto your God. So our stew has been cooking for some time now. You can see I'm just giving it a nice stir. Just after you add your tomatoes, you want to just cover it for about 5 to 10 minutes for it to cook well. So I've just added my salt to it, and I'm just giving it a very nice stir here. I love this method. We have so many methods of cooking jollof rice. This is one of the methods that I normally use. I've just added my blended garlic inside. I just want the fresh garlic smell or taste inside the stew. That's why I added it at this time. So now I've added my spices. I have some curry powder, some turmeric, some allspices, Italian allspices. I used about 4 combined natural spices here. So you can use any spice that you prefer. Okay, so I'm just adding my bay leaves to the stew here, just giving it a very nice stir, because the stew, because I covered it for about 10 minutes, it was already halfway done. So I'm just adding my vegetables to it, and I will just add just a little bit of water to it and just cover it for it to cook just a little bit. Okay, so warriors, today I just want to share with you something from Hebrews 4 verse 16. The word of the Lord says that, "Let us therefore come boldly to the throne of grace, that we may obtain mercy and find grace to help in time of need." You and I need grace and mercy. Okay, you and I need grace and mercy. So as you can see, I've just added a little bit of water to it, and I'm just going to allow it to be on fire for just a little bit, and I'll just come and add my rice to it. Okay, so you can see, yeah, this is really packed. Okay, the vegetables in there and everything, you can see it's really packed. So I've just washed my rice, and I'm adding it to it. You know, cooking this vegetable jollof rice is easy, but make sure that the only trick is that make sure you cook it one on a very low heat and with just a minimum amount of water. For jollof rice, you don't need any. So you can see as I've just added my rice to it, I'm not going to add any um, water to it again. Okay, you can see this level of water is okay, it's perfectly fine. And you have to cook your rice on a very medium heat. You just have time for your jollof rice, okay, and you will have a very amazing jollof rice, I promise you. Okay, you thank me later. Okay, so, warriors, as I'm saying, the word of the Lord says we should come boldly before the throne of mercy. You and I, we need mercy, we need grace, okay? In our day to day activities, we need grace, we need mercy. So, when we go before the throne of mercy, that's going on your knees and asking God for His help. Christ has done it all. He has accomplished everything. He came, He has fulfilled the law. All that you need to do is just go down on your knees, or you just ask your God, whether you are standing there or you are on your knees or you are lying down. Anyway, the only thing is that trust in your Lord. Trust in what Christ has done for you, okay? Trust in what Jesus has done for you. So you can see our jollof rice is cooking very nicely. You can see here, it is even already almost done, okay? It is almost done. Because I covered it, on a very medium heat, you come and turn it around and you just check the texture to see whether it's how you want it. So you can see my jollof rice is done. So as I'm saying, Christ love you, but remember that He came to die for you. He has sacrificed everything for you. So just don't go through life in tears alone. He is there for you. So you can see my jollof rice, my vegetable jollof rice is done. I love this. Okay, I love you, but Christ loves you more. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. Please share the video and also subscribe. Okay, I love you. Look at it, very beautiful and it's very tasty. Okay, the only problem I have with this jollof rice is that I have one of my daughters. She would just try and pick every vegetable out of it. So bye.